If it wasn't already, the secret is certainly out now. Forsyth County is one of the nation's most desirable places to live, work, and play. The latest census data shows that over the past decade, Forsyth County's population grew by just under 40%. 40%. For county leaders in 2021, smart growth was a priority. In July, Forsyth County joined the Atlanta Regional Commission, giving our community a voice and votes on Metro Atlanta growth policies that impact the county.
It's going to grow. So becoming a part of the larger conversation and the desire to become a part of that larger conversation tells me this county is really looking ahead.
With the new partnership, the ARC works with county leaders to plan new transportation options, manage water resources, encourage the development of healthy, livable communities, and develop a competitive economy. Looking to the future, the county also began the Foster Forsyth 2022 initiative, a year-long planning process of updating the comprehensive plan. Throughout the year, community members are encouraged to participate in public information meetings and online surveys to help establish a vision for future growth and development in our county and guide land use decisions. While the county continues to grow and become more of a Metro Atlanta community in many respects, focusing on agricultural and farming roots was a priority for county leaders as well this past year. In July, Board of Commissioners approved an amendment to the county's Unified Development Code to allow for qualifying farms or agricultural properties to obtain a conditional use permit for the purpose of agritourism. Georgia Commissioner of Agriculture Gary Black attended the meeting and supported the move, as did local farmer Jim Kinsey.
Without that income, the temptation, maybe necessity to just sell your land would be there. We're saving our dirt. The heritage of agriculture is very, very important. Very important.
Agriculture is such a vital component of our overall national security strategy. And so, but it's okay to have some fun while we do that. And I think that's one of the fascinating things that these agritourism opportunities provide.
So Forsyth County is certainly growing, but it's still the perfect blend of a North Georgia rural mountain community and an up-and-coming Metro Atlanta community.
With the recent growth, there's still one key focus on our minds: infrastructure. County and state leaders recently met at the annual Transportation Summit to talk about how we can improve traffic.
Transportation needs are only going to increase over the next decade, which means our investment must increase as well. So while we have already made significant infrastructure investments in many ways, Forsyth County is just getting started.
Many road projects were underway across the county throughout the year. In North Forsyth, work began on the widening of SR 369 at 400, along with the installation of an overpass exit. Pilgrim Mill Road saw a widening, and the Ronald Reagan Boulevard extension began that will soon extend the Majors Road to McGinnis Ferry. Speaking of South Forsyth projects, plans are in the works to widen the South Forsyth Border Road McGinnis Ferry, as well as a large portion of Old Atlanta Road. To keep you informed of some of the county's key road projects, the Department of Communications launched On the Move, a video series that provides updates on large capital projects. In August, an upgrade to the Fowler Water Reclamation Facility was unveiled. The expansion at the facility, which was completed in early 2021, increased the wastewater treatment capacity from 2.5 million gallons per day to 5 million. This allows future operations to be expanded as needed with population growth.
While infrastructure was a key focus with things such as roads and bridges, 2021 saw great improvements away from the concrete, roads, and developments.
Parks and Recreation had a busy year, particularly on the Big Creek Greenway, as the popular trail system opened Phase 5, extending the Greenway to more than 15 miles in Forsyth County.
More than 4.5 miles were added to the northern end of the trail system in June, connecting the Greenway to the Sawney Mountain Preserve. The trail system also opened a newly renovated portion of the Greenway on the southern end. Also during the summer, ground was broken on an expansion project at Lanierland Park that will include several tennis courts, baseball fields, an all-inclusive playground, Miracle League field, and an expanded trail. The project is planned for completion in the fall of 2022. In southwest Forsyth, a new drone flying field was opened at the future site of Denmark. The 50-acre field provides recreation drone operators with a place to fly without any special permit.
2021 was a milestone year for the Parks Therapeutic Recreation Program, which celebrated 3 years of offering diverse programs for individuals with specific needs. Just one more way the county is serving residents of all needs and abilities.
In late 2021, exciting news was announced regarding Lake Lanier and how Forsyth County will be utilizing Metro Atlanta's largest natural resource for decades to come.
The installation of a raw water intake facility and pump station was approved by the Board of Commissioners along Lake Lanier to provide security, reliability, and resiliency of the water supply for Forsyth County and the surrounding area. Currently, the county pays the City of Cumming for their raw water intake, so the addition of a county water intake will provide $3 million in annual savings for the county and will create a more resilient water supply during emergencies. Various storm drains across the county will be receiving a unique design in 2022. The 3 talented county high school students that won the KFCB Storm Drain Art Contest will be painting their designs on storm drains in the county early next year. In May, the Board of Commissioners approved a new water line extension policy that outlines how residents can apply for county water service in areas not currently served by the county. Residents seeking water services can now simply apply through the county's website, forsythco.com.
Something many of you may not know is that our water professionals work around the clock 24/7, making sure that water is there for us whenever we need it. So to all of our water and sewer professionals, thank you for all you do.
Firefighters, sheriff's deputies, and 911 operators were also there for residents in 2021 to answer the call.
For the Forsyth County Fire Department and Emergency Management Agency, a big focus early in the year was on providing assistance to the state's distribution of COVID-19 vaccines.
Rolling out the vaccines, we knew there's no single agency could do it by themselves.
And at Northside Forsyth, I can tell you, we are particularly grateful to be collaborating in this initiative, particularly with our public health, our emergency management team, public safety, and our local churches. I can think of no team more qualified to do this than the team we've been working with.
The county hosted several vaccine administration events in partnership with the state and Northside Hospital Forsyth that first responders played a large role in.
The whole world's figuring out how to navigate a global pandemic, right? And so this is a great opportunity here, not just for Forsyth County, but I see this as an opportunity to put on display for other counties in Georgia to really use this as a model, how to mesh all of your resources together as quickly as you can, but also for folks across the country. I mean, this intersection here of a church, of our hospital, our local community, and all of our, obviously, our first responders out here helping us execute this project is truly amazing.
In April, the fire department launched a Facebook page to help share the message of fire safety and prevention, as well as to give a behind-the-scenes look at the daily operations of fire stations across the county. After 18 weeks of intense firefighter training, the Forsyth County Fire Department graduated its newest recruit class during the summer. 11 recruits officially became Forsyth County firefighters during the ceremony and received their first assignments. Congrats to all.
For all of the county's first responders, thank you for making Forsyth County one of the safest communities in the state.
2021 saw changes to the county's leadership positions as Forsyth positions itself for the future.
Kevin Tanner joined the county at the start of the year as county manager. Tanner, a 4-term state representative for District 9, brings over 30 years of public service experience, including 5 as Dawson County manager. District 4 Commissioner Cindy Jones-Mills served as board chair during the 2021 calendar year, and serving in the role in 2022 will be District 2 Commissioner Alfred John. And in May, Marcus Turk joined the county as Chief Financial Officer. In this role, Turk oversees operations of the county's finance, procurement, risk management, business licensing, and indigent defense departments.
As the county looks to the future, elected officials and county staff are finding new ways to connect with the community and provide for a brighter future.
With new and improved digital tools, Forsyth County found more ways to connect with residents than ever before in 2021.
Along with a growing social media presence to bring the latest news and information to the community, the county also launched a completely redesigned forsythco.com. The redesigned site provides a more user-friendly experience for visitors seeking the latest county news, those wanting to apply for a permit, pay a bill, or watch a commission meeting. Connect to Forsyth, an official mobile app for iOS and Android devices, also launched in 2021, allowing residents to easily connect with their government by reporting concerns, paying water bills, receiving county news, calendar alerts, and more. And to provide a more transparent government, Forsyth County Board of Commissioners agenda books are now available online, detailing items on the agenda for discussion during meetings and work sessions.
Forsyth County is one of the best places in the country to live, work, and play. We look forward to seeing you in 2022. Thanks for watching.